Hi, I'm Nick. You know, I have a customer that needs a radius vanity. Now, I make cabinets, but I've never done radius work before. I hear it can be pretty challenging. So I'm here to talk to the cabinet door experts at TaylorCraft to get some help. I hear they do outstanding radius work, and they probably have some ways to save me time and money.
Hi, I'm Heath.
Nice to meet you, Heath.
So here you got a radius door project.
Yes, you know, making cabinets is one thing, but radius work, that's a whole new territory.
Great. Why don't I take you back to our shop and I'll show you how we make radius doors.
That sounds good.
So what's your project?
Well, I need a convex radius vanity and a bank of radius drawers next to the vanity.
Okay. Well, here we've got a cabinet like yours that needs to have radius doors added.
Okay.
So let's go over the process.
Okay. Well, should I make the cabinet and then measure for the door?
Well, the design of the cabinet needs to be completed at the time you take the measurements for the doors. But I recommend leaving the final fit and finish work until the doors are completed and ready to install. When customers order doors from TaylorCraft, we recommend ordering the face frame at the same time that they order the doors. When you do, the face frame will fit perfectly with your doors, and it will reduce the amount of fit and finish time you have at the time of assembly.
Okay. So walk me through the measurement process.
You want to take the chord dimension across the face of the cabinet. Then you want to measure the rise at the cabinet opening. Once you have those dimensions, you can use our online calculator to enter those and determine the radius. It's really pretty simple.
So for my radius doors, I was going to use a bending form and laminate strips of wood, but I hear I'm going to have to calculate for spring back, and I have no idea how to do that.
Well, that's a valid concern. Our construction method allows us to take our components from a solid piece of wood. This allows us to avoid some of the frustrations that you have in dealing with spring back.
Wow. I don't think I have the tools to create a radius door from a solid piece of wood, but I think laminating is going to be my only option if I'm going to do this myself.
Well, be careful. Let me show you what happens if not done correctly. Notice how the spring back has ruined the shape of this component.
Wow, that's a problem. I don't think my customer would be happy with a warped door.
Well, that's why we've invested in the tools and techniques required to produce quality radius components for you. Let's take a look at how we shape those components.
Thanks for the demonstration, Heath. You know, I think I could save a lot of money and get a better product if I just let TaylorCraft do this for me.
Well, that's what we're here for. Just remember any two of the three dimensions: chord length, radius, or rise. Enter that along with some other basic information on your order form. Once we receive that, we'll generate a quote, and upon your approval, we'll get your order started.
Okay, sounds simple enough. Oh, one more thing. How do I radius my drawer box fronts?
Well, your best bet would be to order your box fronts at the same time you order the drawer front. See how nicely that fits? And you can order the box front using the same form as your radius doors.
Okay. Well, it looks like you have all the radius components that I need to get the job done and keep my customers happy, so my stress level just went way down.
Yeah. And remember, TaylorCraft's product quality is guaranteed, so you can be sure that the parts you receive will be exactly what you're looking for.
Okay. Well, thank you, Heath.
Thank you.